Let me see y'all. Let me see y'all if he'll let me film him. You see that squirrel out there? Eating on a turkey bone. Eating turkey bone. Because I cooked turkey yesterday. And I took the turkey off of it. And I boiled it down. I ended up giving them all of that. Whatever I didn't. I ended up giving them all of that. So there's actually turkey in this too. It's not just the turkey bones. It's got meat on there. I just went on and let them have it. I was going to make noodles out of it, but I said, no, I'm going to let them have it. Look at how he's tearing that up. Just look. Just eating. I hope you can see that. That's funny. They are spoiled. Just eating, boy. Oh, look. Look what's happening. Okay, let's see what let's see what this one gonna do. Oh, fat booty. What you gonna do, fatty? What you gonna do, fat booty? What you gonna do, fat booty? What are you gonna do, fat booty? Huh? Uh-oh. What did you eat? What'd you get? You didn't grab anything, oh phony. Oh, you did? What you grab? Okay, I guess you grab something, huh? Just a little piece, huh? Yummy. I just fixed that yesterday, bud. Yeah, I know. Just spoiled, ain't you? Huh? Y'all something else. Do something else.